We can measure the friction generated by different surfaces using the equipment shown in the diagram. We simply pull a block along different surfaces and measure the force needed to start the block moving. In this case, we used a carpet, a rough wooden floorboard, a polished wooden floorboard, and a ceramic tile. Which surface do you think generates the most friction, and which surface the least friction? Why? We'll see whether your predictions are correct later. The experiment should be repeated at least 3 times per surface. This allows us to identify anomalies and calculate a mean. An anomalous result is one that does not fit the pattern. The mean is an average calculated by adding all the values together and dividing that number by the number of values. The results should be recorded in a table like this one. Are there any anomalies? Trial 1 with the ceramic tile doesn't fit the pattern. It's much smaller than the other forces for the ceramic tile, so we won't consider it in our calculation. Now, let's practice calculating the mean. For the carpet, there are no anomalies. To calculate the mean, we add up all the values and divide by the number of values. In this case, 3. The mean equals 5 plus 4.6 plus 4.8, all divided by 3. The mean is 4.8 newtons. The same method is followed for the rough wooden floorboard and the polished wooden floorboard. For the ceramic tile, we need to take into account the anomaly for trial 1. We ignore it when calculating the mean. We add up all the values and divide that number by the number of values, in this case, 2. Mean equals 3 plus 2.8, all divided by 2. The mean is 2.9 newtons.